Hello everyone and welcome to Yolka's Polka. I am Yolka, your night owl. I have one question before we start. Did you fart? Cause you blew me away. Okay, yeah, sorry. I'm not good at pickup lines. Anyways, love is in the air and we are doing a Valentine's Day spread. I decided for this spread the main colors are going to be pink, silver, and white. And the main stickers will be hamsters. I thought it was perfect, especially since one of them is holding a flower and it looks like it's giving it to the other hamster. If you watched my previous videos, you will know that I like to change my layout every so often, and that's what we're doing here. I want all my big stickers to be in the middle of the spread. My to-dos will go on the top boxes, and the last row of boxes will be my meal plans. Not going to lie, but this was probably the easiest layouts I've done so far. So if you want something fast and easy, consider trying this layout in your planner. I also wanted to try making my own design on a washi tape. The white washi was cute, but it didn't really pop, so I just added some metallic dots to make it stand out a bit. By the way, if you love all things journaling, planning, and artsy-fartsy stuff, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. I wasn't sure what to do on the side of the spread since usually I add my paper cutouts, but I felt like if I added it this time it would be too much pink. So I stuck with these clear stickers that have pink flowers in them. You might have noticed it's a tad bit too big, but all I do is cut off the excess and save those bits to use in my spread. After this video, I suggest watching my other video on how to make big stickers fit in your planner or journal. You might be able to finally use those big and bulky stickers. I really wanted to introduce more color into my planner, so I wanted to try using colorful pens for my meal plans. I didn't want it to stand out too much from my important dates, but I think it kind of worked out. I then garnished the spread with some small stickers and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me, and if you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.